special delivery.
Okay, guys, what's up? Wagwan. All right, Carty and Carty here, guys, with another repair thing. I think I did this on another phone before. This Pro EL, whatever. Yeah, that little thing is. This is a church port box. Yep, it's a 12-inch. Yes, guys, 12-inch volume. It's 3i low, and this thing is having a feedback, but I already figured out what the problem is, guys. So first, get this up on video. This MOSFET was an issue. Yeah, this MOSFET is blown. It's a blown MOSFET right here. No, I don't think this one is blown. I have the blown one in this little bag here. But the part number is, let me see. It's not the part number on the back, guys. That's not the part number on the back. It's not for that one. So, and they put them in this little, yeah, this insulated pad, and this is a G20 N50C, so that G20 N50C, and it looks like this. And this phone, guys, as I told you before, the focus of this phone, I don't know what's wrong with it, but it doesn't focus that much, but I want it to. So that's it. This one is blown for sure, but this one I didn't check. Oh yeah, this one is also. And this is the output for this amplifier board. So let me get rid of that compounding. And here now, what I'm going to do, let me start. One that was here, break it off. So I'll take all these pins right here now. Whoa, come on. All right. Yep. I can do this. Oh man, not even wasting any time on this, guys, because I decided this thing started so strong that wow, that was quick. Sorry, guys. Nice and clean. Let me just brush these aside. All right, as you guys can see, it's clean enough to install the new ones. The new ones I got them yesterday, and the company that's called GNX, I think. These are the original MOSFET, just like the one that was there. Yep. If you guys can look, you will see it's the same number. Alright. Same everything. So I think you can match the symbol on the board, which maybe it doesn't really matter, but I just wanna do it so it matches. Oh, but first I think I'm gonna have to put that insulated thing on first. These guys, yeah, goes on like that. That's one. Come on, you guys. That's two. I'm so sure I didn't even test the MOSFETs, guys. That's not good. Don't care much about the company, guys. I always test the MOSFET, but I'm taking a chance here. But I'll give it a test while it's in the circuit board. But for now, let's get this in. Yep. So this soldered back and front. So soldered on this side. This soldered before. And on the other side. That's why I did have to break it out just now, because it was gonna have to heat this side first, then the other side get heated, then before I can do what I want to do. Alright guys, you can see, yep, run some solder on this side, then you have some surface mount diode over this side. I hope I don't have problem in any of them. I think this is a resistor right here. Heat resistor, as some people would say. Some people say cement resistor. If I see a name on it, and well, this is a 0.1 ohms, so this should read like a fuse with continuity, like beep, just like that sound just now. Alright, that's it. Sounds good. So that resistor is okay. So let's, oh, that's not good. Always make sure, guys, you make where these little cutting is going. Make sure you know where. This thing will fall somewhere in the circuit board, and you then pour it up, and then all hell broke loose. So be careful, guys. Right, so replace that. And here now we have this thing called the N. Right here, guys. That's how this thing is busted. This is a NTC. Something like I would say a capacitor. It's like this here. Yeah, NTC. So I bought, this is the 5 something here. I think I buy a bunch of them. This is the 520. I think this is the 5 something 20. 5D20. Yes, 5D20. Yes, guys. Yes, this is the 5D20. Right. Look like this. It's called NTC. I never really know how these really read, but I know. Aha, like a fuse. So 5D20. Kinda like a fuse, guys. Yeah. And this goes across the power. One lead up the power wire to the, then it goes to a cap. So yeah, it's definitely like a fuse. But this one is cracked open, so let me get this one over, guys, so I can give you a closer look of this NTC. You don't have to worry about which way it goes in, guys. It's not like a cap. It's not like a capacitor either. We have to figure out. Sorry. Take this out here a little. So that this guy was busted off. So yeah, this one was. Yep. And this is a new one. Yeah, it's brand new. Yeah, man. New brand. Yeah, man. It's new brand. Alright. So what I do with these now, guys, sometimes lean one foot this way, one that way. You know, bend it, you know, so you don't fall back out the circuit. And so you can solder one leg. If you really want to make sure you solder down neatly, you look on the other side once you solder one leg down, and then you go on with the to solder the other one. So that's it. Oh, sorry about my hand in the video just now. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, guys. So that's it for the. That's really clean solder. And that's the installation of that MTC, guys. So alright guys, so I'm gonna go through the circuit and see if I find anything else wrong with this thing, and then guys I'll get back to you guys. So just so I don't run out of space on this phone, because I was running out of space already. So I'll be back, guys. Okay guys, so as I said before, I hope I didn't have any problem in this area, but I did. This diode that run from one of this pin would be like gate. Yeah, from the gate, yeah. It ties in with a resistor that reads let me read this ohm on this resistor. It said 56 ohms. I think this means 47 ohms. Let me make sure, guys. Oh no. Yeah, it's 56 ohms for real. Yeah, 56 ohm resistor. And this diode right here says, and number on it is T4, which I think I have a couple of them. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to replace this T4 diode right here. Right here, guys, on the circuit. And the diode number, just in case you have one of these repairing, it's the D11. The D11 and resistor R11. So yeah. So D11 diode is bad. And it's a T4. In case anybody have one of these working and I'm having a problem with it and something like it busted up and you can't figure out what goes where, yeah, the diode that's supposed to be there is a T4 diode. So I think I have one, guys, so I'm gonna just install it, and as I said, get back to you real quick, guys. So I guess it's time for me to do some tests, hook it up and test it out, guys. But before I do so, I just found out this thing uses a IRS 292S right here, master driver. That's funny. Yes, guys, it does use one right in this little here right here. Yep, that's a IRS 292S. So this guy replaced the T4 diode that was here. I have a bigger one that goes there. I have to put there for it, a bigger T4, but that won't hurt it. That's, everything will be good same way. So I'm going to hook it up and give it a little test and see if all is well with this thing. And then let's see. So this goes how now again? This goes like this, I think, guys. So I'm going to get you guys back. After I install it, guys, I'll show you what's going on with this thing. I don't know why this thing giving me a little hard time here to fix like it was before. Okay. Okay, let's get in there. Well, it's gonna take a little time, guys. Yep, like that. Finally. Oh, guys, I'm gonna screw it up and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, guys, I run into a little crossroad with this little amplifier. This powered box amplifier board. So something is just not adding up here. I think maybe some wire or something, but not sure, guys. But I'm going to have to stop this video. Maybe I do a part 2 when I do everything on point up, but everything installed like it should. It goes inside the where it's from. But I'll let you know what was the problem instead of like let you guys watch the whole video, because yeah, I don't know when it's going to, and I'm helping with some housework now, so you know thing go, guys. You know it goes. So I'll get back to you guys so you'll see, and I'll let you know what the problem was. Alright, guys, please stay like, subscribe, guys. I'll be right. Okay, guys, Carty and Carty here with the bench test of this powered box. This one, guys, have a little problem. The problem was a diode, another diode, and that was bad. And this one, it's a little thing. It's it on my finger here, and it's you guys, I have a bigger microscope, yes, guys, but I always like to use this little one to use my eyes. So it says WG. That's the WG. So that was what's stopping this from pouring on. I don't know why, you know. Yeah, it was bad anyway. It was within like 80 ohms, so I get it up and running. And guys, you're gonna see in the video where I put these in upwards, which was wrong. It's a good thing the amplifier didn't come on that, you know. It's jerks, you know. Everything happened for a reason. These were up like this, so maybe it could have been worse. But it's supposed to turn this way on the circuit board, so this can screw to the heatsink. But yeah, and I did have it this way. It's a good thing the amplifier didn't pour on. So guys, let me see here now. So I'm gonna give a little test. As you can see, it's pour on already. I have it on. So this is the back. I'm just giving a view of the back of it. So yeah, there you can see. Yeah. This is the front. The light here. Yep. Let's play one of my rhythm that I normally use. Alright. Guys, so that's it for now. This bench test set this amplifier, so everything is good. Up and running with this V10 PL plus, so V10 plus 600 watt speaker system, wide coverage. It says wide coverage, HF on, which is it have a horn up there for real. But yeah, guys, everything is good with this one, you know. That's how it goes. So that's the bench test, but this everything is up and running. So see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe if you like what you hear and what you see. And that's it. Carty Carty up now. Alright guys, that's it.
Special delivery.